Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
That dreaded envelope arrives in the mail, stamped with official government markings, and your heart sinks a little. You've been summoned for jury duty. For many Americans, this civic responsibility feels more like a punishment, but why does it get such a bad rap? Let's break down why people hate serving on a jury. First and foremost is the massive inconvenience. Life doesn't just stop because you get a summons. You have to take time off from work, which for hourly or freelance workers can mean a direct loss of income. Salaried employees might have to burn through precious vacation days. Parents have to scramble to find last-minute childcare. Students have to miss important classes and lectures. Your entire schedule is thrown into chaos for an unknown period, and that uncertainty is incredibly stressful. Then there's the pay. Let's be honest, it's terrible. Most jurisdictions pay a tiny stipend, sometimes as little as $15 or $20 a day. This amount often doesn't even cover the cost of gas, parking, and a mediocre lunch, let alone make up for a full day of lost wages. It can feel like you're paying to do a job you didn't ask for. Beyond the financial and scheduling headaches, there's the process itself, which is often a masterclass in boredom. You show up early, go through security, and then sit in a massive, uncomfortable room with hundreds of other people for hours, sometimes for days, just waiting. You wait to be called, you wait for instructions, you wait for the lawyers, you wait for the judge. It's a classic case of hurry up and wait, and in an age of constant stimulation, being forced to sit with nothing to do can be maddening. If you do get called into a courtroom for selection, a process called voir dire, it can feel like a strange and public interrogation. Lawyers for both sides ask you personal questions about your life, your job, and your beliefs, all in front of a room full of strangers. You're being judged to see if you're worthy of judging someone else, and it can be an uncomfortable experience. But perhaps the biggest reason is the immense weight of the responsibility. This isn't just an inconvenience. You are being asked to make a decision that could change someone's life forever. You could be deciding if someone goes to prison or if a company owes millions of dollars. That is a heavy, stressful burden to place on an ordinary person, especially when dealing with complex legal arguments and emotional testimony. The fear of making the wrong choice, of misunderstanding a key piece of evidence, is very real. So when you combine the major life disruption, the insulting pay, the mind-numbing boredom, and the crushing responsibility, it's easy to see why that summons is met with a groan instead of a salute. Thanks for watching. Have you ever served on a jury? Share your experience, good or bad, in the comments below. And if you found this video interesting, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content.